Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to analyze Ultragenyx pharmaceutical rare stock. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell and let's get started with price chart. What we can see here, there is a crash by the way, and if I change the time frame from weekly one to daily one, let's look at the daily, and there is a gap, and this gap can be filled. It's the first one. Here the first thing it will be plus 50% if the price will recover back. Okay, come to the high and also look on this. This is a beautiful accumulation in my opinion, but again look, so it technically looks like pretty strong, pretty solid. By the way, this stock is updated his lowest point, of course, because of $27, and before that there is 30, here 32, and here 33. If I go to the weekly time frame, we can see there is no lower point than $27. The lowest point three times has been $33, but now it's a little bit go down and it's $27 right now. Let's measure how much discount from this lowest point to current lowest point. It's minus 15% difference. And if the price will come here to another lowest point, here like $33, it will be plus 23% already. Anyways, let's see the fair and greed index. Right now there is a fair and I don't know why there is a no extreme fair because of crash, but by the way I wait to see extreme fair instead of fair. Analysis rating here is 1 year, price target is 200%. So by the way, 1 year price target is 84 and analysis rating strong buy. By the way, let's check out who are the holders of this stock. Now for that, especially I'm going to the Yahoo Finance. We can see Rare and Ultragenyx Pharmaceutical Inc. And let's go down. Top institutional holders. Who are the top institutional holders? First one is Vanguard Group, around 10 million shares. It's equal to 10% of holdings, and it's $271 million. The second place is BlackRock with 6 million shares, and it's 6.51%, and it's equal to $167 million. The third place here you can see Stance Capital Management. The fourth place Price Row Anyways States with Corporation, Federated Harness. So you can see these funds. By the way, if we go down, top mutual fund holders, we can see Vanguard Index Fund, and here Vanguard Explorer Funds, etc. And we can see the shares and percentage here. Maximum 3% hold mutual funds like $75 million. Okay, this is information about shareholders. That's it. Let's check out what financial does it has. Come here, more financials, and we can see market cap is $2.57 billion right now. The count of employees here 1,300 almost. Founded 2010. CEO is Emil de Gekis. There's a website also. About ownership, we can see closely held shares 6.52%, free float shares 93%, and market cap here momentum 94 million. This is not market cap, by the way. It's the ownership. We can see here capital structure, the market cap, how much, the debt level, and minority interest we can see here. Also cash equivalents, enterprise value by the way, and all this data is available here that you can check it out. About valuation, what we can see here. So revenue is $590 million. About net income is minus $549 million. This is market cap by the way. And if I come here, grow and profitability, we can see the performance for quarterly one. Look on this, and let's change into the annual one, and annual is like this, guys. So go down here, revenue and to profit conversion, we can see for quarterly one, and go to the annual one like this. By the way, I'm going quickly, but if you want, you can press pause and check it out. About revenue breakdown by source of business, by source of income. First place, this one is Chris via royalty. Maybe I read incorrect. By the way, Chris Vita. Another one is only Chris Vita. Another one is Dojo Lovi. I don't know. Another one is FGEZA 5.74%. Maps Valley 5.42. By the way, you can see 49%. This one 24. This one 15.74. About country where is distributed. Of course, North America 60%, Latin America 23%, Europe, Middle East and Africa all at all together 14%, and here is Asia Pacific 1.59%. Come here revenue, look on this for quarterly one and also annual one, look on this guys. About earnings, we can see here this one for quarterly and annual one like this. So this stock is not paying dividends anyways. The debt level and coverage, we can see the debt. And by the way, in quarter one, they reduce the debt level step by step. Look on this. Here is 932 million, then 926, 912, 910, and here 889. So if I check it out here, 907, 934, they increase and then they decrease the debt level. By the way, about quarter one financial position analysis, short term is like this, assets are higher than liabilities, and here in long term liabilities are higher than assets. About annual one, nothing changed absolutely anyways too much. So let's go into the website and let's see what inside of website. Here let's get started, and here Ultragenyx for Avery and addition, we go beyond every day, advancing medicines for rare diseases, and you can learn more pressing here. Here home, ultra committed, you can check it out. Leadership, early access or something else. There is also research, you can check it out. Our science anyways, our pipeline and etc. About medicines here, partnerships, join our team. They have some openings, maybe newsroom, they have like blog or media access library. About investors, you can check it out also. You can change the language by the way. You can see different language available for this platform. Spanish, here Germany, France, Brazil, Argentina or something else. Anyways, leading with purpose every day. Leadership pipeline, grow with us. Here latest news. very perspective. Anyways, they have also social media, and we can check it out. For example, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Let's get started. About LinkedIn, they have 95,000 followers, and my opinion about LinkedIn is pretty good. And if you come here, the last post here 1 week ago, and there is 10 like only. Here another one is 2 week ago. There is 70 like. 2 week ago again. 42 like. 2 week ago. By the way, 138 like. Anyways, this one has 1000 like. By the way, 1084. By the way, it's really impressive. FDA breakthrough therapy designation underscores the urgent needed for an effective treatment for patients, and families affected by Angelman syndrome. Angelman maybe. Anyways, Eric Comas, MD, Chief Medical Officer and Executive Vice President. By the way, uh, celebrating Pride Month. Okay, come here and check out another social networks like Instagram, for example. So they have only 958 followers, and that's weak in Instagram, in my opinion. By the way, come back and check out Facebook and then the Twitter. Okay, let's open Facebook and let's see. Vote inside of Facebook. This content isn't available right now. Wow, wow, wow. Why they don't change or update this one if it's really not available? Of course, it's not available, and that is not good because I found the bug or something missing. What about Twitter? Look on this. So they have weak community with 775 followers. Only the LinkedIn is active, by the way, and it's still working, by the way. And look on this, I say that 95,000 followers, that's pretty good in my opinion. So what is my recommendation? Let's see how much potential does it has this stock. By the way, come here and look on this. If I take from $27, my measurement is lost. Let's try again. From $27, if price will come here, it will be 222%. If price will come here, 397, and in the case of scenario 181, it's 558% of growing. But I think the price can be go to $200 or even maybe 500, for example. It also can be possible. I have no idea absolutely, but it's also can be possible. So look on this. From 2025 and until now, this is looks like the accumulation in a long period, and maybe after this accumulation the stock can go too high that no one waits to see $400, $500 price, but it can be possible. But again, you need to be ready for that. You need to be patient. You need to be ready to be patient. Okay? Only the patience in long distance will give you money. But if you have no patience, you will not earn big money, or you may also lose money, a big money. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Also look on the discount, and there is minus 84% of discount, so that's pretty good in my opinion. Alright guys, it's already 15 minutes of my video, and I am saying see you in the next video. Check out my Telegram channel also about investing, link in my bio or in description, and Bye bye.